always just out of reach. Blood on the floor, sirens repeat. I've been searching for the courage to face my enemies when they turn down the lights. I hear my battle symphony, all the world in front of me. If my armor breaks, I'll fuse it back together. Battle symphony, please just don't give up on me. And my eyes are wide awake for my battle symphony.
So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
And already we're underway here. So Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
It's Neymar! Oh, that's majestic!
Well, this is already looking rather ominous for the opposition. When a player of his calibre can open up the scoring with a brilliantly classy finish, it could be a very long match for that defence to prevent it happening again.
That has brought the house down. What a wonderful hit!
Is it just me, or did he make that look very, very easy? That was terrific skill and composure from him. He finished with such aplomb.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Has a pop! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
That's a throw. Now here's the through ball. Well played, he saw that coming. Iniesta. Mesut Ozil. Played out to the right. And it's Nacho. That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. That is an adventurous run down the left-hand side. Nacho. Granit Xhaka. And it's Aubameyang. Now it's Ozil. Iniesta. And the shot! Gets good distance on it. Keeps everyone guessing. Valencia can hoist it clear. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Xhaka with the ball through. Shot a goal! In it goes!
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial.
Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Sterling! Mesut Ozil. Mohamed Salah. Nacho. Looks to clip it forward. Gets into some space. It's a loose ball. Just brushed off the ball there. Thiago. Marco Asensio. Now it's Aubameyang. Now it's Aubameyang. Passes it through. Has he picked him out? It's Neymar! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong.
Beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
Khedira does well to read it and intercepts. Thiago. Neymar. Deftly done. Azpilicueta has it in a wide position, so what next?
He's had a shot!
Nacho. Mesut Ozil. Mohamed Salah. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. Genuinely interesting game here, very, very watchable. 2 goals, 1 each. And we are up to the break.
Who wants half-time when you have a contest this good? I can only hope it picks up where it left off.
That's a really interesting game, and they head in at half-time at 1-1. So we're just settling back into this second half. So both teams emerge the same as they were before the break. Jean Miranda. Now it's Neymar. Goes wide. Azpilicueta has it out wide and in space. Oh, good interception. Keylor Navas gets it upfield. And it's Ozil. Mesut Ozil. Looks like a good ball through.
Ozil! Back of the net! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit. It's exactly the start to this second half they would have hoped for. They can build on that morale boost and confidence and finish the contest by really taking the game to the opposition now.
Granit Xhaka. Mesut Ozil. Pushes it out wide. Crunching tackle. Nacho. It is a corner, good chance. And it's been taken short. Aimed in towards the centre. Last-ditch defending. It's Iniesta! And a second time. It's there. 2 to the good. They have breathing space. Well, he was never going to miss from there.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes. Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Khedira.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And it's Iniesta. Over to the left. Felipe. Valencia battles to win it back. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Benzema. He's got away. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Tries to dink it in. Aubameyang! And that would have been game, set and match.
He'll be fuming with himself for not converting. He could have killed it off.
And he has been fouled there. Benzema. Tries a through ball. Mesut Ozil. Nacho. Mohamed Salah. And it's Ozil. Granit Xhaka. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Now the pass. Iniesta. Must score. And Aubameyang! Ozil goes short. Granit Xhaka plays it in. And with that, the final whistle. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. So Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
Yeah, we knew there was a sizable gap in the